Welcome to Under the Hardt Hat. I'm Michelle Hardt.
And I'm Tim Hardt. We're co-owners of Hardt Construction Services. If you've decided to take on a remodel, then it's time to find a contractor that's right for you. But how do you find a contractor that you can trust?
First, start with researching local contractors. Look at their reviews, their social media, and the type of work they do on a regular basis. It's important to find a contractor that can facilitate all aspects of your remodel in-house. That way, any issues can be sorted out before starting. Well-established contractors should have in-house designers who can help with the layout, help you select materials before you get started on your project.
And before settling on a contractor, make sure to look out for red flags. The Contractor State License Board is a great resource to verify if a contractor's license is in good standing, and always talk to previous customers. Once you've narrowed it down, schedule interviews, ask lots of questions, and most importantly, compare notes. Hardt Construction, experience you can trust.